Hello everybody, this is Eric from Rotex and Bolida Machinery Company. And now we would like to show you around our assembly workshop. First of all, we can see a display board of our assembly and painting workshop daily work. They listed finished situation of daily assembly work and the planning of work to be completed. They can achieve 4 months of the daily work. 1. All the jobs must have a plan. 2. All the plans must implement. 3. All the implementation must supervise. 4. All the supervision must report. Next coming is Ganton crane, which is mainly used for the assembly and harnessing of large model machines, which can make the assembly process of large machines more convenient. Here you can see our assembly workshop is divided into different areas. First, second, third, and fourth assembly areas. All the crushing machines will be assembled here. Here is a finished wood crusher waiting for painting. And now you can see we are assembling a hammer mill machine. Now our engineer is install the rotors and bearing of the hammer mills. We will assemble each process and each component first, and finally put all the components in the final assembly area for complete machine assembly, which can make the entire assembly process more streamlined, systematic, and clear. Here all are finished hammer mill waiting delivered to all over the world. If you have any requirement, you can call us at any time. Rotex and Bolida Company as a specialized manufacturer of crusher, pellet machine, and complete pellet production line have been over 15 years, with a leader of biomass pellet industry both in domestic China and all over the world.